Move them up a bit. Right. You're going to listen to each other. Okay. Oh, this is teamwork.
We're year 6. The UK is going to have close trading ties with the EU again after the new deal was signed.
The government says it will make it easier to import and export. Capital's Natasha Clark is in Westminster.
Number 10 says the new agreement signed today with Brussels will help businesses, support jobs and put more money back in people's pockets. British holidaymakers will be able to use more e-gates in Europe, and they'll introduce pet passports for UK cats and dogs too.
For the third working day in a row, Birmingham City Council says action on its picket lines is heavily disrupting its train connections.
The Unite Union says what striking workers are doing is legal.
There will be soon 64 knives surrounded bins around the West Midlands.
That's double the current number. So far, 8,000 weapons have been handed in.
And Gary Lineker is leaving the BBC after Sunday match of the day.
He'd already said he was stepping down, but had been planning to stay on for another FA Cup and World Cup.
Some scattered shows
Highs of 17.
highs of 17.
You're up to date.